How to update your business information on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your business info on Yelp, like your hours, address or phone numbers right from your phone, well, let me show you the right way to do it using your mobile browser. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once inside the web browser, just tap on the search bar and simply search business.yelp.com. And here, once you search for it, you'll be prompted to the official Yelp for the business site. And here you just need to sign in with your business credential, and if you haven't claimed your business yet, you need to do that first. So here, once you are signed in, you just need to tap on your business name to access your dashboard, and after that you simply have to scroll down and tap the menu icon to find business information, and there you can update your hours, phone numbers, websites, location and much more. And here, after editing, you can simply scroll down and hit on save changes, and some updates may need Yelp approval before going live, and that's it. That's how you can update your business info on the Yelp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.